Good evening, guys. Hope all are well. And first of all, I would like to congratulate all, and I wish you a very all the best throughout the course. And thanks for opting our platform for mastering the data analytics course. And we hope you have a great learning together with your friends throughout these learning sessions. Thank you, sir. You can start your first class now, and all the best to you too.
Okay. Thank you, Johnny. Hi, all of you can hear me properly. Kindly reply me in the chat section. Okay. Thank you for the confirmation. So, today is the first session. So, my name is Arindam Dev. I'll be the instructor for the session. As per my introductions, I have more than 10 years of experience on different industry. And last 3 years, 3.5 years, I'm into the different verticals of the training. And I give training on data analytics, data science, specifically R, Python, machine learning, statistics, all those subjects, and Tableau. And today we're going to go ahead and start with your first sessions on data analytics. And the main topic we'll be covering in this particular course, that will be the Python. I'll be coming into the course curriculum later on. So before go ahead, and I like to know about yourself also, that all in the team, I like to see that what kind of versatility we do have in the batch, so that I can understand the batch versatility. So just small introductions, your background, if you're a fresher, if you have experience, whatever the things you have, just kindly ping me in the chat section so that I can understand. Just a small introductions from all of you. Your background, or if you're experienced, you're freshers, just let me know. You're from the technical background, you're from non-technical background, it will be beneficial for me to know all those things. And then we go ahead and start the session. Quickly, guys, just give a small introduction, and please be active in the session. Otherwise, the sessions will be very much boring. So I need the proper interactions in the session. As a product management professional joining the courses for the data analytics, fine. What about others? Third year CSC, okay. Any of you are from non-technical background? Computer science, fine. EC, okay. Third year. Third year CSC, okay. Fine. I understand. So most of your third year students, so you're completely fresher in analytics here. BTech first year. Okay. Fine. Let's go ahead and start the session. So today we're going to go ahead and discuss about the introductory part of the particular data analytics, that why you are in this particular course, what is the main benefit of it, and what kind of opportunities where we can able to go ahead and apply this particular activities, all those things we can able to should we should learn, and so that it will be clear for you in future as well. So we should go ahead and know about the backend part of the data analytics, the main ground of the data analytics, data science, so that it will be helpful for you. Okay. Now, if I just go ahead and ask you, and sometimes I'm going to use PPT, sometimes I'm going to use the Word document, and sometimes I'm going to use the software. Hope you don't mind. Um, so if I just go ahead and ask you one small question, since you're all in the data analytics platforms, if I just ask you what is data, how you're going to go ahead and explain it? Simple. I don't need any technical answer. Whatever comes up in your mind, you can tell me. What is data? Anyone? Informations. Okay. What is informations now? Raw facts. Very good. What about others? Okay. So what is data? Data is completely raw material, raw facts, or you can say the unstructured things. And we are not able to understand anything from this unstructured materials. It's a totally raw facts. Now, when you talk about the informations, this informations is what? Informations is the collections of structured data. Hence, when we are going to go ahead and convert this particular raw facts to a proper structured format, through which we can able to go ahead and take the decisions. That's the main benefit. From unstructured material, whenever we're going to convert in a structured format, it's called the informations. It's the collections of the data, collections of the structured data, not the unstructured data. And we can able to take the decisions because that will be the meaningful data we're going to have it. Now, from this particular data to informations, this particular transformations is based on certain platforms, certain materials, certain tools that we are going to use. And as per that particular tools, softwares, or kind of a processing, whenever we go ahead and do, that's called the data analytics field, or you can say the data science field. Like the data science, data analytics is the consist of the different type of tools and the processing, because through the implementations of the processings and the tools, we can able to go ahead and find out the particular raw facts, and then we can able to go ahead and convert it to the information so that we can able to go ahead and take a decisions. Why this particular data analytics and data science is so much important? Because of the decisions making capabilities. We can able to go ahead and take a proper decisions from that, because everything is uncertain when in the corporate sectors. Why data science, data analytics are booming in this industry now? Because all the companies, all the corporate sectors, it's there, they don't have the certainty, all the uncertain things. And we can assume the things, we can predict the things, but whether that particular assumptions and the predictions is proper, is correct, how we can able to understand? So whenever we're going to go ahead and make a structured decisions, that particular time, this data science or the data analytics is going to help me. Now, what is the backbone of this particular data science or data analytics? The backbone of this particular data science, data analytics, which is going to help me to take the logical decisions, the statistics. Statistics is going to help me to take that particular uh, decisions in proper manner, where whatever the assumptions we are going to do, whatever the predictions, the hypothetical predictions, we are going to go ahead and do it. That particular time we can able to go ahead and take a proper decisions over there. So the statistics is the back end part and the extremely backbone of this particular data science or the data analytical fields. Okay, clear everybody? All of you clear? And a quick response, please be active in the session, all of you. So it's 1 hour session, so kindly be active so that we can able to go in depth. Okay, now as I mentioned, the data analytics or data science, whatever you're telling, it's a consist of the different platforms, different tools, different applications. So what sort of applications we're going to have it? Now, first and foremost, obviously, the statistics, you need to have it. As I'm telling that uh, it's a back-end part and the backbone part of the particular sector. Next, that we're going to have it. So different tools that we are going to be there. People think the data analytics or data science means we just go ahead and do the predictions or creating different types of models. It's not like that. First and foremost, the statistics is going to help me for the logical proper decisions. Then the tools that we're going to have it, because obviously whenever the statistics we talk about, in statistics we're going to have lots of complex type of applications. But nowadays everything is based on the software and the tools. So the software and the particular tools is going to incorporate the statistics which is required so that we can able to go ahead and take a decision through this particular tools. Or you can say the software that we're going to have it. Now, in the software that we're going to have the different type of tool software that are, we do have Python, we do have different applications we're going to have it. Also, what we required that predictive analytics. Predictive analytics means what? Predictive analytics means, as I'm telling, through the particular analytical views, the applications, we can able to go ahead and do the predictions, do the future predictions, do the current predictions. So that kind of predictive analytics we can go ahead and apply over there, and we can able to go ahead and take a decisions. As well as in this predictive analytics, we do have certain machine learning applications. Later on, people will be learning in Python. Machine learning means what? As we are going to train the different machines, means as we're going to train the machines is going to give me the output. So for the predictions, we need to apply certain machine learning algorithms through which we can able to go ahead and predict our current trends, as well as we do have other applications also through which we can able to go ahead and predict the future predictions also. So all those things is very much important over there. As well as what we require the domain knowledge. Domain knowledge means what? Domain knowledge means whenever we're going to go ahead and apply certain analytical views in that particular domain. So we should have to have a clear idea uh, in what type of domain we're applying and how we should go ahead and move forward. So that's why the domain knowledge is also required in this particular field. So when we are going to consist all of this, then only we can able to go ahead and find out the main essence of the particular analytical views. Okay. if you're just going to apply different type of softwares or the programs, or directly if I directly go for the machine learning approach, then we are not able to go ahead and get the main essence of the analytical views. So when we're going to consist everything, then only we can able to go ahead and understand this. Clear all of you? Any questions, anyone? Fine. Now, next we have to know about the life cycle. Life cycle means what? Obviously, like since we're in the analytical fields, we should have to have a knowledge of the different type of processing. Okay, means how we are going to go ahead and move with this particular analytical views. So wherever you go, whatever the project will be doing in future, always remember this particular life cycle. People thinks that if I go ahead and jump into the particular predictions, then it will be the ultimate data analytics, but ultimately it will be a very false applications. So first and foremost, what is the main first part we do have? It's the business understanding. Business understanding means that we have to understand the client's requirements. Okay. Uh, the client's requirements means as the client's requirement we do have, because if we don't understand the business, we are from the different backgrounds, you are from the different backgrounds, maybe some other persons will be the different backgrounds, but if they do not know that what exactly the clients is looking for or what exactly the business is looking for from us, we are not able to proceed. So the business understanding is extremely important, to know the clients, to know the client's requirements, and to know that what exactly the clients are looking for. Okay, so we should have to have a proper idea about the client's requirements. Means what, if it's a sales company, if they want to go for a sales forecasting, sales analysis. If it's a healthcare industry, they need to go for a healthcare analysis. So what they are looking for, we need to understand. After that, after business understanding, after understanding the project, basically, we need to go ahead and start collecting the data and store it. And store the data. Hence, we're going to go ahead and collect it and then we store it. Collections of the data, which is a very important part. If we don't have the proper data, we are not able to proceed further. So who is going to give me the data? Uh, the particular clients will give me the data. Okay, the clients is going to help me to go ahead and collect the data. If we think that collections, the data is not proper for the analysis, then we need to ask the clients to go ahead and give the proper data, or sometimes we also need to go ahead and collect the data and store the data. Okay, we need to do the research work more properly. Now, who will be the very good data analytics or data scientists? Those who are having the passions to work with the data and those who are having the capabilities of the research work. They do the research work properly and then we go for the collections of the data properly. So, and storing the particular data means store the particular data. I can see many people are joining so late. I request you from tomorrow onwards, please join on time. Otherwise, it's your loss because it's just 1 hour of sessions we do have. Store the data means whenever we're going to go ahead and collect it, we need to store it in the proper place. Now, storing the data is depends on company to company. Some will follow DBMS, some will follow Excel, CSV. This kind of a formatted data will be getting it. After storing the data, because when you collect and store the data, it's totally unstructured data, unordered data. We are not able to do anything. So what we have to do that particular time, next process will be the transformations. It's called the data transformations. Data transformations means what? Data transformations means whenever we suppose we have the unstructured formatted data, and obviously there is certain missing values will be there, unordered format will be there, different type of different column mismatch will be there. So we need to rectify it. If we cannot able to go ahead and rectify this, we are not able to go ahead and move forward and process it. So that's why the transformations is required whenever we go ahead and transform the particular data. We are going to remove the missing values, we check the structures, we rectify the columns name if any kind of a different type of is there. So we need to do all the formations. It's called the data transformations. That's why it's called the data transformations. From unstructured to we make it as a structured, or you can say the semi-structured format. This data transformations is extremely important and the crucial part of the applications. In the project, 80% of the time it will take in the transformations process, because as per the different applications, different analysis, we need to go ahead and transform the data more properly. Okay, that's called the data transformations. Next, we do have EDA process. The full form of EDA is called the exploratory data analysis. Now, what is exploratory data analysis process? Exploratory data analysis process means we need to understand what is the main features. In this process, we define the features. Features means what? Features means the different variables you can say, or the components you can say. So whenever we do any kind of a project, for the project work, we are going to go ahead and have different type of components in a data set. Okay, so we need to understand that what is the main components or the main features we need to take for our future predictions or the predictions or the current predictions. So that's the main reasons we need to go for this EDA process, this exploratory data analysis process, where we are going to define and refine the particular features. If the particular components is illogical, not necessary, then we need to remove it, or we can able to, or when we think that yes, this particular things is important, then we need to keep it. As an example, suppose I want to go ahead and predict sales. For predicting sales, price and advertisement is very much important. But suppose one, price, advertisement, locations, these are the important features we do have. But suppose one field is there, which is education, which is not so much relevant over there. So that particular times we can ignore that particular feature. So later on, you'll be understanding more in depth. This is the application. This is the one of the cycles we follow. It's the exploratory data analysis, where we do the most analysis part, the statistical analysis part, and then we can understand the importance of the particular features. After that, we apply the predictive models, or you can say the different machine learning algorithms that we're going to have it, we're going to apply. It's not like the different, we do have the different type of machine learning algorithms. So everywhere, all the time, we are not going to apply all kind of predictive models. Wherever there is a specific time, we're going to apply the specific predictive models. So as per that particular predictive models is required, we are going to apply the different type of machine learning applications for the predictions. Now once we have the particular predictions, we got the output. As per the particular predictions, we'll be going for the reporting. Next part will be the visualizations. Reporting. As per the output, as per the predictions, uh, we are going to go for a reporting or the visualizations, because the clients is not so bothered about what type of things you have done, what kind of process you have completed. They only bother about the predictions, and as per the particular predictions, when we got the particular reports, and as per the reports, they can able to go ahead and take a decisions, because ultimately the decisions making is required. Okay, and as per that particular decisions making, we can able to go ahead and do the operations, because after the visualizations, after the reporting and the decisions making, then we are going to go for the operations part. Operations part means where that particular decisions will be implemented in that particular project. That's why it's called the operational part. As per the operations is follows. So this is the entire life cycles of the any analytical projects. First we understand the business, then we collect the data, then you transform, then you go for the features refining, then we apply the predictive models, and after that we make a report of it. Clear everybody? And then we go for the operations. Any questions, anyone? Please ask me. Any doubts? All of you clear? Fine. Now, where we are going to apply this particular applications, that we have to know. Where you can able to go ahead and apply that, people thinks that this analytics, data science, machine learnings is all about the particular, you know, for the technical part, okay, or only we can apply in the engineering sections or the computer science field, IT domain, okay. But we can able to go ahead and apply in the different parts of it, okay. First and foremost, if I say that we can able to apply on the travel tourism sections. Travel tourism sections, how we can able to go ahead and apply. The travel tourism sections that maybe you have heard, that the dynamic pricing. Dynamic pricing means what? Suppose I need to go ahead and book a flight ticket. So as per the particular time change, the particular pricing we can see it's going to change. It's called the dynamic pricing. Automatically that particular time, as per the seasons, the particular things is the pricings will change. So as per the analysis, automatic the changes we can able to do it. Means we can able to see it, as well as what we can say that we can able to go ahead and understand the flight's arrival and the departure time, whether it's going to come early, whether it will be delay, as well as what we can do, we can able to do the weather analysis, the forecasting. So as per all those things, we can able to do it. More importantly, easy way to understand. Suppose I am going to go ahead and book a flight tickets through a website. So automatically it's going to show me the different type of hotel on that particular locations, because as per that particular uh, destinations, we need to book a hotel. So how machines is going to understand, as per your analysis, as per machines analysis, as per our work in the particular website, they can easily capture the data and analyze, and then they're going to show us the recommendations. This is the recommendations part. So this way we can able to go ahead and apply over there. Next, we can able to go ahead and apply in the social media. Social media, how it's very easy, all of you can understand. Take example of Facebook. The friend recommendations, how the friend recommendations is coming up. So as per your friends list or the mobile contacts that you're going to have it, it's with the mutual friends you're going to have it. As per that, they're going to show you the friend recommendations. As well as previously, the Twitter, the blogging, everything is depends on the data analysis, because Twitter is totally unstructured. In a tweet, we just simply write down as English, which is not, we don't think about the grammar also over there. So as per that particular tweet, we can able to analyze it and we understand that what sort of tweets we are getting now. The Facebook, we can able to do it like this. They can able to do the face recognitions also. So as per that particular face recognitions, we can able to tag our friends and the families that we do have. So we can able to go ahead and do this. In YouTube also, like we can able to, when they're going to show us the different type of music's recommendations, movies recommendations, that as per your wish list, as per your history, it's going to show you that. So this is all those things we can able to go ahead and apply in the particular social media platforms. Okay, in Facebook, Twitter. Next, where we can able to apply in the sales marketing field. Sales marketing field, how we can able to apply it. Sales marketing field, everybody, we go for online shopping, right? So in the online shopping, you have seen that over there also we can able to, suppose I'm going to try to buy a shirt. So when I pick a shirt, it's going to show you different other product also. Okay, other product also means suppose it's going to show you that you may interested in jeans, t-shirts, or it's going to show you the different type of combo product also, discounted combo product also. So how that particular time the particular online website can be able to understand. So the sales marketing field is going to do this, as well as it's going to show you the recommendations also. Also, what they can do when you give a reviews, the ratings, they go for the sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis means whether the customer is happy, customer is not happy with the services, with the particular product. So all those things we can able to go ahead and do this. So the sales marketing fields they can able to go ahead and apply. Next, where you can able to go ahead and apply in the healthcare department. Healthcare department for a COVID, uh, now you can understand that how we can able to predict the wave, the second wave, third wave, the different in the news channel. Maybe last year you have seen lots of statisticians came and do the analysis. They're going to show you different type of graphical representations, and they're going to predict that when the COVID will be on the peak and when it will be minimized, when the second wave will be coming up. Now they're going to go ahead and analyze the Omicrons about the third wave. So how they can able to go ahead and do all those things. If they don't have the proper data analytical views, okay, uh, as per that particular data analytical views, we are not able to go ahead and understand the main applications of it, as well as they're also going to go ahead and apply the statistics over there. and through this particular statistics we can able to go ahead and predict this. As well as in the healthcare department, we do have certain geoinformatical data through which we can able to apply the different analytical views, and as per the particular analytical views we can able to go ahead and predict it. So in the healthcare we can able to apply. Next, you can apply in manufacturing, productions, mechanical, electrical sections, all those things. Uh, how maybe you have heard about the term of automations, automate the process. So in through the particular analysis, and whenever we're going to apply the different type of machine learning and predictive models through which we can able to automate that particular process. Okay, it's about the automations. Okay, uh, as per that particular automations process, we can able to go ahead and do this. That's the manufacturing and the productions unit. Okay, uh, where maybe you have heard about the terms of sale driven cars. This is totally mechanical products manufacturing cars is coming up, means where the particular machine learning and the artificial intelligence will be working. Okay, so what they are also whenever do the report analysis that particular time, this analytical views is very much important over there. Next, that we're going to go ahead and apply. Obviously, in the IT field, everybody we know the different type of applications we can able to do. And when you use this Python software, obviously it's will be the software in the IT domain. It's going to be used over there. After that, when you talk about the different applications, then we're going to apply in that particular um, supply chain logistic. Another department we do have supply chain logistics, how we can able to apply. Hence, when you order something and when they ship that particular order, the en route that we go ahead and do the analysis, how they're going to analyze that how many days it's going to take to deliver your product. Okay, so that type of things we can able to go ahead and do this. That's the supply chain logistics sections we can able to apply, as well as most important things we can able to apply in the financial markets. Financial markets basically the stock market. First, if I go ahead and emphasize the entire stock market, you know, it's totally depends on your analysis and depends on the predictions. As you analyze and you do the predictions, you'll be the gainer or you'll be the loser. As well as what we can able to go ahead and do, we can able to go for a fraudulent transactions, means we can able to go ahead and track the fraudulent activities. The fraudulent activities means fraud applications we can able to do, means suppose we do have the credit card and there is a limit of 10 to 15,000, and suppose if I do the transactions of 50,000, so automatically the finance that particular credit card department or our banking will be calling you and verify the transactions. Or also in any kind of a transaction, they're going to verify it nowadays. So we can able to go ahead and track the fraudulent transactions, as well as the certain financial analysis, the budget analysis, the banking sections. They totally depends on the particular analytical views. And as per the particular analysis, how they are going to go ahead and take the decisions. So that's why the analysis, the analytical field is very much important nowadays for the decisions making capabilities. Clear, everybody? Any questions, anyone? All of you clear? And a proper yes from everybody. If you have any doubts, kindly let me know. Fine. Next, there is three type of analysis basically we do have. Okay. What's the three types of analysis or analytics we are going to have it? First and foremost, it will be the uh, descriptive analytics. Descriptive analytics means what? Descriptive analytics means when we deal with past data or the historical data. Past data, the historical data means what already happened, what has already happened. Whenever we got that particular data and doing the analysis, that is called the descriptive analytics. Then suppose you are trying to go ahead and predict sales. Now, when you do the particular sales, we need to understand what has already happened in the last month, last 6 months, or the last 2 years, 3 years, and then only we can able to go ahead and do the predictions. So that's called the descriptive analytics. What has already happened when we deal with the historical data, the past data. Next, we do have predictive analytics. Now, what is predictive analytics will be there? The predictive analytics is when we do the predictions. Future predictions or the current trends. We are comparing with the actual with the current predictions. So as the historical data, past data analysis, we'll be doing the future predictions. That's why it's called the predictive analytics. Okay. And next that we're going to have it, it's called the prescriptive analytics. Now, what is prescriptive analytics? It's the recommendations. Recommendations means what? That's a prescriptive analytics that when you recommend something, when you prescribe something, as per is the predictions, whenever we are going to recommend anything, that's called the prescriptive analytics. Means this is the main job profiles you can see. That's why the data analytical persons or the data scientist persons, they're directly working with the top notches positions of a company, and they're going to directly working with the CEOs of the companies, because as per the particular analysis, they are helping the particular clients to take a proper decisions. Means the recommendations will be coming up. Easy way to give the example, like suppose when you do the online shopping, that particular time, as per your past shopping, it's going to show you the different products. Okay. Now, once you'll be in that particular product department and you're going to checking the different type of products, and that particular time, as I told, it's going to show you the different type of recommendations. So that's called the prescriptive analytics. Like as first descriptive analytics, they deal with the historical past data over there, and as per that they go for the predictions over there. They're going to show you the different type of applications over there, and then after that it's going to show you the recommendations part, where we can able to go ahead and see the different type of products with the different type of recommendations. So this is the three parts we need to follow on every project. First the descriptive analytics, then the predictive analytics, and then the prescriptive analytics. Clear, everybody? So now please tell me, any of you, if you have any doubts, kindly let me know your question. All of you clear? Any more doubts, anyone? And I request you, please change your name in the Google Meet so that I can address you properly. Otherwise, it's very difficult for addressing your names. Okay. Now, as you can see that, as I mentioned, the different type of applications that we're going to have it. Why I'm telling, because you should have to have a proper idea the main backend part of the analytical views. Otherwise, whenever you're going to apply for any kind of a job, you'll be puzzled up. So in data analytical fields or the data science fields, there'll be no limited the things. That's why the job profile means job sections is very much booming, because every sections they're looking for analytical persons, those who are going to have the domain knowledge along with that analytical knowledge, through which they are going to apply the particular decisions making capabilities. Okay, starting from the uh, HR analytics will be there, finance analytics will be there. All departments is important in in every company. H analytics, financial analytics will be there, IT analytics will be there, and they're going to work on the data analytics, data science. Um, these things they're going to have it, as well as sales marketing. Whenever we have seen the sales marketing research analytics position to be there. So all those particular positions is there. That means HR finance, those particular persons, those are coming from HR finance backgrounds, and they need to have analytical views. Sales marketing, the non-technical people, those who are coming from sales marketing, if they're having the analytical views, analytical knowledge, they can go ahead and apply on this particular positions. So when you're going to complete the data analytical course, the finalizing the particular course, there'll be no limitations that you need to apply only in this particular IT domain only. You can able to go ahead and apply in the different type of companies and the different domains, because as a data analytics or the data scientist, there'll be no limitations of the particular applications of the job. Clear, everybody? And the data scientist or data analytics, they're all in the same branch. Okay, same branch means the data analytics, you can understand by the name, is going to analyze the data. Okay, it's going to analyze the particular data, do the analysis. Basically what they do, they raise the question, and as per the analysis, that why it's happening, why this particular customer is not giving the sales, why this particular department is not giving the particular sales. So as per the analytical reports or analysis reports, they can raise the particular questions. And what data scientists basically work on, Basically, data scientist peoples are working on the predictions part, or you can say the developmental part, core sections. We're going to work on the different type of machine learning models as per the particular analysis. They solve the question. That's the main difference we're going to have it. So under data science, data analytical peoples will be coming up. So they're going to solve the questions as per the analysis. Data analysis will raise the questions and the data scientist is going to solve the questions because they're going to work on the more work on the developmental sides. Clear everybody? And that's why this analytical persons, the data scientist people, they're going to directly work with the top notches positions because they're going to deal with the clients itself for the proper decisions making. Fine. So now please go ahead and ask me if you have any questions. You can go ahead and ask me if you want to know anything about it more. Means any questions you can go ahead and ask. And from tomorrow onwards, we're going to start the Python that you're going to have it as per the curriculum. We're going to start from the basic analytical views, and then we're going to go for the Python software installations tomorrow. And we start with the very scratch level, the basic scratch levels, and slowly we're going to go to the advanced levels from the different libraries that we're going to learn, and as well as we can able to go ahead and learn different type of machine learning models that we're going to have it as per we're going to go ahead and complete the curriculum. Fine, we start with the basic scratch level and then slowly we'll be doing the advanced level. Clear everybody? Okay, any more questions? Descriptive analytics, like whenever we're going to do any kind of a project, first we need to do the descriptive analytics. Descriptive analytics means the past data analysis, where we can deal with the historical data analysis, what is already happened. When suppose you are going to do the sales analysis for a company. So for the particular sales analysis, you need to have a data of your past data, last 6 months data, or the last 1 or 2 year data. Then only you can able to go ahead and do the predictions for the current or the future predictions. That's called the descriptive analytics. Okay. Okay. Any questions, anyone? Fine. If you don't have any more questions, so we can wrap up the session today and see you guys tomorrow itself. Thank you. Amazing Holy Spirit, kindly
Thanks for the
change your
wonderful
name so that I
session,
can.
sir.
Just a minute. Expertly data analysis means when we're going to refine the particular features, as I have told, that in a data set, we do have many components, but we have to understand that what is the main components we need to take care. So that's called the exploratory data analysis process. Yeah, thank you, Johnny. It's done.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for the wonderful first class. And guys, the attendance link and the feedback link will be posted in the group. Please respond to that. And when coming to the peer learning, so from tomorrow you will be provided with the feasibility where you could able to discuss and practice whatever happened in the class in the last 15 minutes. So as this is the first class, we are not providing that feasibility. Okay. So from tomorrow, start learning together with your friends. Tata. Bye bye.